Do I look crazy out?
She's a
bad thing, fine as hell.
Hey everybody, it's Ivy. So as you guys noticed, something is different about me today. But today we're going to be doing a natural hair tutorial. I just washed and conditioned my hair and I'm letting it air dry. And you guys, I am so tired of my hair. Like, you guys don't even know. It really feels like it's stuck at this length. Like it's not growing. I don't know, maybe it is growing, but to me it's just so like, I feel like my hair should be way longer than this by now. Like, you guys, I've been growing my hair for forever and it's just not, it's not getting there at all. And one of these days, once I'm brave enough, I'm just gonna cut it off, you guys. I feel like my hair is dead and over with. It's not like it's heat damaged or anything, but it's just so annoying and my hair sheds so much. I don't know if I need a cut. As you guys can you see kind of like the sheer parts? Can you see that? Maybe I just need a really good cut. I need a cut of like freaking all those inches. Like I need to cut it right there to the part where it's dark. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna figure out something to do with this hair because I'm getting so tired of it. Usually after I take out a weave, I like to wash and let it air dry and braid it up and, you know, get it ready for another weave. But today I want to do something different. I want to do a natural hair tutorial. I have these curl former things and I wanted to test them out. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna show you how I use this curl former. It comes with a big old hook thing like this. It reminds me of like a crochet needle type of situation. And it comes with 2 colors. I think the orange ones might be smaller than the pink ones, but don't quote me, I'm not sure. They might be exactly the same, just 2 different colors. It was a little tricky at first figuring it out, but this right here you have to like hook together. So you just want to push it all the way through. And this should be peeking out the top and this rigid part on the end. So I'm just gonna take some water and olive oil and some other stuff mix. And I'm just gonna spray it in my hair to moisten it up. Then I'm gonna take my little fake dimming brush thing. And I'm just gonna brush through my hair, just so it's not tangled. And there's my curl pattern for all of you guys, you know, that wanna know. Now I'm gonna come up a little bit closer. I'm gonna section off a decent piece, about that size. Now I'm gonna take my curling cream, and this is the Argan One and Only curling cream. And I'm just gonna use a little bit, for this section. And you wanna run the curling cream through your hair. And I wanna make sure I'm putting it at my roots so that's nice and smooth. Now this is where it gets tricky. You want to take the little hook and hook it onto your hair. See, you can mess up real easy. So what you want to do is just pull the hair through. Is it going? You guys, this thing is not working. I don't know why it's not working on camera. It just worked in the freaking bathroom. My hair done got back dry. God. Okay, I think you gotta use really small sections with this. I kinda don't like that, but whatever. Okay guys, I think it might work this time. So you just wanna pull lightly. There we go. God, that was hard to use. Jesus. So it should just come out like this. This one is a little loose, the rest of them aren't like that. So okay, that one just worked. Wait, what? These things are crazy. I wonder why this one wrapped up like. Okay, there we go. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna do my whole head and I'll be back because I can't see what I'm doing in here. Okay, you guys, so I just finished applying the curl formers and I promise you guys, this was like one of the hardest things I've ever done to my hair. Like, harder than a front two, harder than regular rods. Like, it was hard. And we're gonna see how it turns out. I hope it's not a fail. You guys know my hair is way shorter in the front than it is in the back. I kind of predict the back is gonna turn out good, but the front is gonna be like kind of trash. But yeah, these things were hard. They were so hard to do, and as you guys can see, you can probably see my hair like wrapped in there. That's the dark stuff in there. So I'm gonna leave them on until the morning. I'm gonna sleep in them and we'll see how this goes, because you guys, honestly, I'm scared because I wasn't able to like get it really tight at the root. I don't even know what it looks like in the back. Now I wonder if they have a smaller size, because I think I would like a smaller size curl former, but we're gonna see, you guys. I'm really excited to see the results. Okay, so this is the next day, and I did already take out some. I don't know how I feel about it yet. So I'm gonna show you how to take it out, which is pretty simple. And before taking them out, I wanted to talk to you guys about how I felt sleeping in it and all that stuff. I'm super tender-headed, so my head was on fire. Like my roots, they hurt really bad. It feels like when I having clip-ins. Like I can't take wearing stuff like this on my hair. I will probably do Bantu knots or something next time, because it hurts really bad to me. So taking the little things off is easy though. All you do is get the thing in your hand like this, squeeze it open, and you pull. And there comes a curl. And I will say that it does curl your hair nice. And my hair, oh my god, look how tight the curl is. And it actually makes your hair pretty straight. The curls actually look really good. You guys, I'm just so tender-headed, so me saying they hurt, somebody that's not tender-headed probably wouldn't be hurt. So they're all out, and I think the curls are okay. It's really weird seeing my real hair this short, but I didn't notice any breakage or anything, or any hairs and stuff snagged in here, so that's good. I'm gonna go ahead and separate, and I'm gonna use 100% jojoba oil. And I'm just gonna use a little bit to separate them, just so they don't get overly frizzy. So I think I'm gonna style it by like pulling it forward. I don't know what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna finish doing this off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the results. I tried to style it, I separated it, and I just took my pick and kind of like gave it some volume. I don't know how I feel about this style. And I did like part my hair right there and just gel that little side down. I don't know. I don't know what to say about this, you guys. It's okay. So I just wanted to show you guys how this looks in the light. I swear my hair looks like it's shrinking. I'm getting ready to probably try to like, I don't know what I'm gonna do to this, but yes. Do I look crazy out? I don't know what I'm doing with my hair, man. I really don't even know how to style stuff like this, so if it don't look right, I'm sorry. To me, it's kind of a fail. Or maybe I should just wear it all like, I like more volume. It looks a little small. I don't know. But let me know how you like the curls. This was a fail. Yeah. Thumb the video up if you at least just like the style. Comment below some tips you guys can give me on how to do this properly next time. So I would actually suggest the curl formers. I don't know if you guys are like super tender-headed if I would suggest it, because they really hurt my scalp. Like my head is still really tender right now. They're also great for like stretching your hair. And I also noticed the different colors is because they twist in 2 different directions. So The pink ones twist outwards and the orange ones twist inwards, and that's just so you can have a more natural curl going on, so everything won't be in one direction, so it makes things a little bit easier for you. But I feel like my hair kept getting caught when I was trying to pull it through. I don't know if I was just doing it wrong, but I watched some tutorials and people didn't seem to have an issue with it, so maybe it was just me doing something wrong. But overall, I think they're a pretty cool product. You know, if you want this little Shirley Simple look, it's a little, I feel like a little kid with it, but it's cute, you know. Okay, you guys, it's been a few hours and I guess it's falling a little bit, but I'm actually gonna go in and stretch it because it just looks, it looks crazy to me. So I'm just gonna use my blow dryer on a medium heat setting with the little, I forget what this nozzle is called, and I'm just gonna pull my hair and just stretch it.
Great scenes might be great, but I love your bloopers. Imperfects for the urgent, baby, I want forever.